much. Is she actually happy or secretly angry at me?
Paul, that one smiley face is doing more work than you think. Come on, let's decode what this really means.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Welcome back to Real English with AK, the channel where we don't just learn English words, we learn the hidden messages behind them.
Today, we're cracking the code on one of the most common phrases ever. Thanks so much, especially when it comes with the smiley face.
So let's find out what it really means. Let's start with the basics. Thanks is good. Thank you is more formal. But thanks so much or thank you so much, that's stronger. Right, Paul?
Exactly. Adding so much makes your gratitude feel bigger. If I say, thanks for the pen, it's fine. But if I say, thanks so much for the pen, that means I'm really happy about that pen.
But here's where it gets tricky. The situation changes everything. Let's imagine two scenes.
Scene 1. Your friend helps you move furniture for 3 hours. You say, thanks so much, you're a lifesaver. That's real appreciation.
Scene 2. Your coworker gives you one piece of paper. You say, oh, thanks so much, while looking at your computer. Same words, but the meaning is lighter and more automatic.
So yes, context is everything.
Now let's add the smiley face. Paul, what does this add for you?
It's a tone indicator. In real life, you have your face and your voice. In a text, you only have words, which can sound cold. The smiley face tells the other person, I'm saying this with a friendly, warm attitude.
Thanks can feel short or even unfriendly. Thanks feels warmer, and thanks so much is usually the perfect mix. Friendly plus sincere.
But can it ever be sarcastic?
Yes, but only when the situation makes it obvious. For example, your friend is 2 hours late and you say, thanks so much for being on time. That's sarcasm, but don't worry. If you use thanks so much normally, people always understand it as friendly.
Fun fact, did you know the sideways smiley face was invented in 1982 on a university message board? A computer scientist suggested it to show jokes and avoid confusion online.
So we've been using it for more than 40 years to show tone. Amazing. Tip number 1. When in doubt, use so much plus the smiley face. It's almost never wrong in casual messages.
Tip 2. Match your energy to the situation. Big favor. Big thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Small favor, quick thanks so much.
Tip 3. Try variations like, I really appreciate it. That's so kind of you.
Tip 4. Always read the whole message, not just the thanks so much :
Here's your challenge this week. Use thanks so much 3 times in a text, in a comment under this video, or in an email to a friend.
It's a great way to practice sending a warm, friendly signal.
Thank you so much for watching today. If this helped, give this video a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to English Decoded so you never miss a lesson on real modern English.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.